Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Bitcoin, the weekly close, and of course, be ready. We are in a bullish cycle. We have started the bullish cycle. I'm pretty sure about that. And to be honest with you, what I really think about is that we are not going to have a steady, slow correction to the downside, but what we are going to do is having a steady, slow uptrend. Could this mean that we are going to go all the way up? Maybe we revisit the 19K, but that's not the problem. We have started the bull cycle. Anyway, we are going to see what is going to happen today. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section. Now is the time to join. Now is the time to enter. So right now you can see that BTC, daily frame, weekly close. We are going to discuss everything right here. 22K, Bitcoin is sitting at the 22K, closing above the 22K, actually not sitting right now. Right now it is sitting at 22.9K, all right? It is near the 23K. Another day which we have started with a green one and another 4-hour frame that we do not seem that we want to go down, right? It seems like Bitcoin wants to get ready to go higher. However, the case right now is, and I do not want to ignore it, that we have a bearish RSI divergence. You should be careful about that, right? Okay, we have bearish RSI, we have a very high risk in the daily frame. Okay, despite the fact that we have some good, nice closing above conditions, we still have and we still run the risk to get rejected before we enter the main resistance level of around 24.8 to 25K. Can Bitcoin go there? Yes, it can. However, you need to be careful. Before that, we might be having a mini correction, retesting, for example, the 22K. Not sure about that. We are going to wait and see. But weekly close was bullish. 4-hour frame seems like doesn't want to go down, right? We had the correction going on, but we retested the 20-day MA and then we were having a pump. Everything seems to be on favor of Bitcoin. In favor of Bitcoin and with the crypto market right now. Now, you would ask me, Bill, can we go all the way up above the 25K? Yes, we can. But here lies a hugely important resistance level that we will find for sure a resistance. Okay, we will find for sure a resistance price action. Right now, you can see that. If I draw the fib from the top to the bottom, we will see that we closed actually almost exactly at the 0.786. Now, the closing condition should be 2022.711. 2022, okay, 22 actually 711. Okay, so this price action right here, this price level around there. Now, in the weekly scale, we closed actually at 22.707. A little bit below, just a tiny bit below. Could this mean that we are not going higher? Perhaps the case is that because actually we closed some cents below, it is very possible that we are going to see a correction coming in. Now, why I am why I want so much, I would like so much Bitcoin to close above this line, because it is the logarithmic 0.786 line. Now, if we close above it, then the 25K will come immediately, even in the daily, but in the daily we have closed. So I would say, and I would prefer in the weekly frame. But if you see Bitcoin persisting and retaining actually this line in the lower time frames, then be ready for a massive explosion. Okay, now the daily frame started good. It is not always the case that we are going to go higher. Maybe we are going to find a correction going on. Maybe we are going below. But I was seeing this and I was laughing because 22.711 and we needed to close above and we just for some cents closed below. So this is why I am not bullish yet, despite the fact that we seem good right here. I am not so bullish yet, even in the lower time frames. I will wait a little bit, but I will be honest with you actually, I think that Bitcoin has started the bull cycle. I think that Bitcoin is ready to fly more. I think that Bitcoin is ready to go higher. And I think that all of you who were in a loss right here are ready to recover some big, huge losses. And to be honest with you, if you hold the good altcoins, like for example Ethereum and stuff like that, then you can win for sure. Solana, Ethereum, and all the altcoins that have huge demand, and they are solving something out there in the world. They are with a huge demand and they have an increase in the use over the past years. So I'm definitely optimistic about the bull cycle. And of course, right here, whenever we have the correction, I would recommend you to re-enter Bitcoin, to regain profits, and to hold it, because Bitcoin is going to surprise everybody with its bull cycle right here. Now, in the lower time frames, we talked about it. This could turn out pretty bad. Of course, we do not see that often in a bearish cycle. Okay, we do not see that a Bitcoin can handle these risks so good. It is not often the case, right? But when the bull cycle starts, it is the most often case ever. All right, so I would say that you should be careful for the lower time frames. For the higher time frames, bull cycle started, all enter, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well. Next stop, after a mini correction for me personally, will be the 24.5k. If I take this as a closing above condition, this week will be bullish as well, and we go there. If I take this as a closing below condition, we are going probably to retest the lows of the 22k. We are going to the 22k and we are going to retest this line. You can see it was the high back here on Monday, 5 September. Do not forget to join Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.